my name is Maggie Hardy and welcome to the party. I am so excited about today's video. I'm going to be having swatches and a demo. So I purchased the Violet Voss Flamingo palette on pre-sale on Instagram. It has not dropped yet, so it's currently not available. It will be available at the beginning of July, so I figured that I would purchase it early, let y'all have some swatches, give you a demo, let y'all see if y'all like it and if y'all would like to purchase it, maybe what my thoughts are, and see if it would help you persuade to buy or not buy. I've already opened it, I've already played with it, and this is the box that it comes in, and then this is the palette itself. The packaging is so beautiful, just the colors of it is absolutely stunning. It has a magnetic flap on it. It is absolutely stunning. Now, this palette is cruelty free, and I purchased it off the Violet Voss website. When it does become available, you can get it off of Violet Voss. I know Violet Voss only ships to US and Canada, and then you can get it off of Sephora, US or Canada, and then other than that, if you're in the UK, Beauty Bay or Cult Beauty. And then if you still can't find the palette, go to the website and see where you can purchase it under retailers. Okay, and as I said, I've already played with it, I've already dipped into it. I wanted to see my thoughts on it before I actually gave y'all a demo and a review of it. So let's open her up. And this is what she looks like. It has a very big mirror, which is accessible. It's not too big, it's not too small. You guys, I can see my whole face in this mirror, and you can still hold the palette comfortably. So inside we have 20 beautiful colors. We have 20 shades, 9 mattes, 5 foils, 2 toppers, 2 duochrome, 1 satin, and 1 matte with glitter. So you get a whole range of beautiful colors, beautiful finishes. And the price of this palette is $45 without shipping, and so with 20 shadows, $45, it's about $2.25 a piece per shadow. So it's really affordable for the colors and the pigment. The price, I just think it's so right. So I'm gonna get into some swatches, and then after that we'll get into a demo. Okay, so digging into the top row, we have Flamingo, Donut, Flip Flops, and Bikini. Okay, second row, we have Oceanfront, Tidal Wave, Beach Ball, and Watermelon. In third row, we have Lemonade, Pineapple, Popsicle, and Sunbathe. And in the fourth row, we have Surf, Coral, Island, and Sand. And in the bottom row, we have Seashell, Pinwheel, Sandals, and Sandies. So these are all the swatches. They're absolutely beautiful. Some are more pigmented than others. Some are more patchy than others. Okay, so now that we have the swatches done, again, we'll take another look at the palette. Yesterday, I played with these 5 colors right here. A part of me really wants to use these 2 together because this is a topper and it is a shimmering sand color, and it has shifts of blue glitter in it, which would look absolutely stunning with this. So get a look going on here. Okay, so the first shade I'm going to dip into is going to be this color right here. This is the shade Coral. This is the satin in the palette, and I'm just going to put this up here for a transition color, also to help blend that blue out just a tad bit. And my brush is the Morphe 573. Now in this palette, and almost all Violet Voss palettes, you will see that there is a lot of kickback. After that, I'm going to dip into flip-flops. And I'm going to take my Morphe M506. I'm just going to take a Urban Decay and a brush and dip back into that. And I'm actually just going to pack this on because I want the color to be there. And then back in with my 506 and blend this out. I'm going to dip back into the coral shade. And get some of that pink back in there. Now I really want to work this into the crease because I'm going to do a cut crease and I want to be able to see that teal color. Most Violet Voss palettes I've played with, they usually blend out pretty well, but maybe the color and the pigment with these shadows, and it's not horrible, you can work with it. So now I'm going to go in and I'm just going to cut the crease. Okay, and to set that, I'm going to go in with Sand, which is this color right here. And to put, oh shoot. And on top of that, I'm going to go into Flip Flops, which is this pretty topper right here. And I am going to spray my brush with Fix Plus. This is just a flat shader brush. Go in with my finger and just add a little bit more pigmentation. I don't know if y'all can see the shift of glitter or not, but it is absolutely beautiful. I kind of wish that I'm gonna go back in with that teal color. I kind of wish that this was just a little bit more pigmented. Alright, I think it looks, it's about as good as I'm gonna get it. So I'm gonna go finish the other one, finish my face, and I'll be back on camera. Okay, so I'm back with my lashes and my full face on. For lashes, I went in with the DoDo Lashes in D307. Love these lashes, they're one of my favorites. I'm gonna finish up the bottom lash line with y'all. I went in with the Marc Jacobs and I did my waterline on the top and bottom. Waterline, I'm just gonna take my Morphe M432, which is just a flat shader brush, definer brush. I'm gonna take that and I'm going to put that right into the waterline and blend it in with the liner. And on a small blending brush, I'm just gonna dip in back into that teal color. I run this all across the bottom of my lash line and blend that in with that black. And I'm not gonna take it all the way, but I do want to smoke this out just a little bit on the outer corner and bring it straight down into the waterline, about 3/4 of the way. And then to buff out the edges, I'm gonna go into this light blue color right here and just gently wash that out. And for brow bone and inner corner highlight, I'm gonna go in with my Kat Von D Alchemist Holographic palette. I'm going to get the pink shade, which is Pink Opal, and just dab this right into the inner corner. I'm also gonna drag it the rest of the way to where it meets the green. Throw on some bottom mascara. Alright y'all, so this is the finished look. Now let's just get into my thoughts and kind of recap on the whole palette situation. I absolutely love how it turned out. I did play with it the day before today, and I will insert a picture here for y'all to be able to see, so y'all can see I kind of have played with it a couple times. Now, let's do the negatives, right? The negatives is fallout, a little bit of patchiness, chunkiness, and kickback in the pan. If you don't mind the kickback, if you don't mind the fallout, I believe this palette is totally worth it. You can get so many different looks out of this palette. Violet Voss has absolutely stunning, beautiful eyeshadows. I do have Pro Violet Voss eyeshadow palette, and as you can see, this one's really loved too. It's one of my favorites to go to. Do I think it's worth the $45? I do. If you love playing with color, I highly recommend this palette. Like I said, you can find it at Sephora, US and Canada. VioletVoss.com ships to US and Canada, UK, Beauty Bay, Cult Beauty, and then if you're in any other country than that internationally, you'll go on the Violet Voss website and you can find out where you can purchase it at. I love the packaging. I love it. I'm glad that I purchased this. Like I said, I got it on pre-sale, so it's gonna drop at the beginning of July. Right now it is Sunday the 24th, and as of right now we don't have a set date. So if this video comes out with a set date, I will leave it down in the description box and let y'all know. Other than that, guys, that's it. I really hope that y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, guys, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe down below. I would love for y'all to join the party. And you can also follow me on my social medias, which are linked down below for Twitter and Instagram. Guys, other than that, thank you for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed it. And also, let me know if y'all are going to pick it up or if you're going to pass on it. Thank you so much for watching. Y'all stay happy, stay beautiful, stay you, and stay blessed. I love y'all so much. Bye, y'all.